What's up, guys? So, there's a car show today. It's at 6. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear them, doing their parade off in the distance. I can tell they're getting closer, so yeah. Long form video incoming. We got some pretty bad clouds over there. So guys, I don't know what to do for the next few minutes until 6. I guess I'll just wait. So yeah. My door's open, my dog's about to run out, I just know it. Yeah, those clouds are actually pretty gnarly. They're like dark black, and it's like evening right now. Kind of evening, I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, guys, I gotta close the door. So hopefully you guys will like this video. It's going to be a fun one. Definitely the best video that I've ever posted. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can hear that. I'm not going to flash bang you with the sun. I already am blind from Grow a Garden flash bangs. There's darkness in the distance. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. I just don't know. I bet in the mountains, it's really coming down. You can see we got gnarly clouds around here. And then up there, it's all blue skies. Then over there, it's just dark. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Yeah, that meme is not funny anymore. So yeah, I swear if it starts raining right now. So guys, thanks to my dad, I can be doing a long form video. Wow, so surprising. And on his phone is actually really good. That's how I'm posting these long forms. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. 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 I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. If the rain gods are going to make it rain, start the car parade down our street. Not going to say what our street is because there's going to be people that are going to creep around. I'm just going to say I live in Utah, like steak. Yes, I do live in Utah. Steak also lives in Utah. if you want to go raid him, he's in Salt Lake City. I've never met him, but he leaked where he is one time. So this is going to be probably my longest video. Alright, the clouds are starting to come this way. Oh shoot. I might need to duck for this one. Just so you know, guys, don't comment, "Oh my gosh, it's a tornado, it's a tornado." I live in Utah. The Rocky Mountains surrounding Utah are going to protect me from tornadoes. Oh, there's a car, but it's not part of the car parade. I know, I'm going to love the car parade because they recently started throwing candy at people. Because this is around Halloween, hopefully you are going to be seeing this right after it came out. Because then you'd be like, "Oh, well, it is November. It is 21. So yeah. Don't worry, guys. My channel will be reborn a lot. So yeah, hopefully my dad's camera app is stronger than mine. He is a really good dad for letting me borrow his phone. He should be coming out of my house anytime now. If you're a fan of me, I'm not going to give any more hints. I'm not going to leak the city that I'm in. It smells like a flipping skunk. Get this skunk out of my backyard, mate.
Where's Olaf?
I don't know. I'm recording a video and I can't really center it. So, guys, that voice that you heard is just my cool mom. She's pretty cool, but she doesn't want me to show her face. She just does not feel good about it. Where's this little crap? I'm gonna flip and shoot it with my BB gun. This thing gotta get out of the backyard. I'm going to go talk to my dad. Hello? Hello with the pudding. Hello? I have your pudding. $5.59. I got the pudding. Hello? I have the pudding.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Daddy's busy.
Okay. Oh, guys. My dad is busy. I can't get him on the video right now. Oh. I can't record on it right now because my mom is standing at the bottom of the stairs. Hi. Hi, puppy. Hi. Do you like puppies? Alright. That car is getting annoying. It smells like my friend is doing a campfire. I would walk over to his house, but he lives all the way down there. So yeah. Oh, my dad will be joining shortly. I can hear the car parade rumbling towards us. So yeah. Beep, beep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Alright, this is longer than one of my biggest long-form videos, which has 21 views, and it is 9 minutes long. I don't know if people are patient enough to watch this whole thing, so can somebody edit like some sort of satisfying thing in the corner so kids pay attention, so they're not just like ee. Guys, don't blame me because I am also a kid, but I don't just go ee through videos. I dislike the videos that I don't really like that much. Yeah, it smells like rain. It sniffs like rain. Yeah, it sniffs like rain. That's what my dog says. That's what he said. I'm not going to do the that's what she said meme because my dog is not a she. He is a he. Tesla, Moto, yeah. Moto riding into the field behind my house. So yeah, I think I might just cut to the car show. I am too impatient. Don't mind the kids playing in the background. I'd never be able to do that because my dad thinks I'm screaming. I wish I could do that again. I wish I could be a normal kid again. School has been sucking up my whole life. Well, I'm not going to trauma dump on you guys. I know you're just waiting for some sick cars to come down, and they're fire trucks, police cars, and other cars. Hey, a leaf. Seriously, a cigarette? Ugh. Everything smells like cigarettes now. So I'm just going to wait. Flipping bees, mate. I'm telling you, these bees are sucky. So guys, waiting for the car show. I guess I'll record a little bit. Metal. I don't know, guys. I'm going to post this to YouTube though. That's all I know. Leaf. Come on, what the deuce is going on? Usually they'd be hauling through here. They better not have canceled their stuff. Usually I'd be able to hear their sirens and music. which YouTube, please don't demonetize me because I can't edit. So yeah. Seriously, that's the only car that is coming. It's not been a busy day today. It's a Saturday. Everyone is supposed to be like running around yapping about the new Grow a Garden fall update, which actually I loved. I've been grinding on it, trying to get the resin thing, the maple resin. I haven't got it yet though. 1.5 billion is crazy though. Do you dare me to kick a fence post? Boom. Don't you hear that? That is what it sounds like to be living right next to the train tracks, right next to a helipad, and also right next to a military base. And right next to a bunch of dirt bikers that rip through the streets at 3 in the morning. And they got I can't say what my dad would say because I'm young. Alright. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't have black on my face today.
What?
I don't have black on my face today.
No?
Okay, good.
What?
It's 5 after 6. What's the time?
Usually they come around like 10 after 6. Yeah. I heard them in the distance though. I heard them in the distance. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to take my own phone out here. What? I already got your phone.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. That's why I'm recording. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Alright, I'm going to go get my phone, guys, to Google something. I gotta Google on this thing. Just kidding. I don't gotta Google on Olaf. For real, I keep getting kicked from games for being gay. Just kidding, I'm not gay. Respect to gay people. I don't know what I say, like, the crap that comes out of my mouth is, like, undescribable. No, I'm going to set you guys down for a minute. Alright, guys, good news. The car parade is still coming down, where I live. That's just at the end. I'm going to tell my dad. Hey, Dad. So our street is at the end of the car parade.
Is it?
Yeah, it's at the end. It is from 6 to 7, so I think we might be seeing some activity around like 6:40.
Okay.
Well, I guess I'm going to record until that. I don't know what I'm going to do. If you guys live in Utah, you can relate to this. Yeah. we've been facing some crazy storms lately. You can't even see the sun. It's just turned into a black hole. So yeah. Should I just record the ground and what I find? I guess I haven't done a video on finding rocks. Oh, I guess I'll I don't know, guys. I'm just bored. The car parade is on like at 6:40 or something. I don't know. Creole. Road? That guy has a light out. I'm not going to yell at him because he's going to think I'm just some stupid kid. So yeah. Well, that's what I am, but you know, I don't want him to think I'm even dumber than I am. Oh, that's them. Beep, beep. Yep. See that, guys, off in the distance? Woo! Yeah. Wee, wee, wee. No thanks.
Okay.
Actually, yes, please. So my dad got his phone because he's the operator.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Yeah. Woo. All right. That's Tim. Hey guys, thank you. It's bouncy ball. Check out that one, Bobby. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, come out on the road. Come on. Come here, son. Hey, guys. Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? What's happening? Hey guys, thanks. Woo! Hey guys. Right. How's it going? We had a lot more last year. Hey guys. Dude, we had way more cars last year. That was nothing.
They literally like sent down like 100 cars last year.
Yeah, that wasn't. Last year there was so many cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You left.
I bet there was about 30 cars last year.
Yeah.
Really? That's
Yeah.
our first time in the neighborhood. So.
Really? Oh,
No? Okay.
he'll take it. He's just shy.
We don't need all this.
Yeah,
Sure?
he'll take him.
Here, I'll leave it. I'm
Thank
just
you,
gonna take
guys.
this.
Hey, all right. See you guys.
Thank you. I can't believe that they didn't really get cars.
That was. There were about 30 to 40 cars last year. Yeah, that was Gabe.
Okay. So guys, that's the end. I wish I could have live streamed that. Well, bye guys.